I got it. You got to hammer down 270's out of here.
I gotta say one time real fast, they're Switchblade Wolf Lake. Hey, Switchblade Wolf Lake, real fast. Let me just roll up in there and say hello to you. Switchblade Wolf Lake, Motormouth Mall out here on the central coast of Cali. I got down.
Damn, Motormouth Mall in there too. 270's in the clear.
Wait, 270. You could hear me? Let me get my name out here one time and make a little bit of noise. Oh, Motormouth Mall, stepping right there right now. And hey, Switchblade Wolf Lake, this is for you, by the way. Switchblade Wolf Lake, you know who out here on the west side? Hey, Switchblade, if you got any kind of a sloppy copy, I'll Motormouth Mall waving and stepping. I got down, breaker.
Tell you play my theme song, man, I'd be prepared to tear some ass up. I can't tear no ass up tonight because I ain't got my station right. I'm out here on my number 3.
Yeah, I try to put on that G's water heat. No doubt about it. 270's in the clear.
Trigger cat bigger, but I used to do that too. Motormouth Mall, Switchblade, number 2 station. Bye-bye.
You say you're working the number 2 station. Hey, Switchblade Wolf Lake, you say you're working the number 2 station, and it sounds real good over here, so whatever you're doing, you got it going on over here. I guarantee tell you. Switchblade Wolf Lake radio station, Motormouth Mall waving. Have a good evening out there, Switchblade Wolf Lake, Motormouth Mall, your west coast under modulated beast, waving and stepping right there right now, breaker.
That's all I have is give you the number 3. Number 3. I'm on my number 3. The last one. I ain't making no excuse. I'm telling you the truth. It is what it is. Win some, lose some. Nice hearing your voice. Appreciate the theme song. But like I said, every time you play my theme song, I'll be ready to test it. Take it. Number 3 station. Bye-bye.
Yeah, 10-4. Sorry about that. I meant 3. Switchblade Wolf Lake. I did mean the number 3 station. I misspoke. But you say when you hear your theme song out there, you get out there in the kind of fashion where you want to tear somebody up. Ain't no doubt about that. Hey, Switchblade Wolf Lake. Radio station, Motormouth Mall, right here, right now. I'm stepping.
Yeah.
To tear some ass up. Yeah, cut out. Radio station, Motormouth Mall, Switchblade, Blade. I say it. I'm going to tear somebody up. Now somebody might ask, I'm going to tear some ass up.
I did hear you say that. You said you were going to tear some ass up. When you hear your theme song out there, you say you're going to tear some ass up. Hey, that's what you said right there. Ain't no doubt about that. Can you say that on National Public Radio, Switchblade? Hey, Switchblade, can you say that on National Public Radio? I don't know if you can say that. But Switchblade Wolf Lake, while you got that hammer down, I'll say hello to you once again, and, man, I hear Superman out there, too. working that modified phone booth. What's going on there? Superman, Motormouth Mall, waving and stepping right there. Hey, can you guys do me a big old favor? Great big old favor. And tell Homie the Clown I said hello. I heard his name getting called out there, and I know it's a big station, a whole lot for me to contend with out here on the west side, but do me a big old favor and tell him I did say hello, Mellow Jello. Radio station Motormouth Mall, your west coast, under modulated beast, right here, right now. I got down.
Switchblade, Wolf Lake, number 3 station. Bye-bye.
Hey, Superman, I think I heard Homie the Clown on the key there breaking. Is that right?
Kryptonite. That's all I have to say about that, homie. 270 said Kryptonite. 270.
Hey, 270. You know what Kryptonite does to Superman, Ken Bigger? Hey, 270. You know what Kryptonite does to Superman? You being mean there, Break.
I tell you, you're still when you write some beats. You got that hammered down. 270's in the clear.
Yeah, we'll get back on 270. No, get back on 270. Motormouth Mall, working this thing, stepping right here, right now.
Hey, Motormouth Mall.
Yeah, you went to the farm, no doubt about it. All right, Homie the Clown, that's you. You said I'm going to get that candy rice and beef and beans. 270's out of here.
I can hear Homie the Clown out there. I can hear Homie the Clown out there in the killing fields. Ain't no doubt about that. Motormouth Mall, stepping right here, right now. I got down.
Yeah, he on the mall now. Clown on the mall now, Motormouth. You said you can hear that cat. Well, you can hear him.
Hey, Motormouth Mall, I'm trying to get up in here. Motormouth Mall, truck, and more truck.
All right.
Yeah, that's a good sounding radio I haven't heard in a long time. Hey, Truck, how are you doing out there? Hey, Truck in the Bluegrass. I hear you rolling up in here real good, man. Hey, Truck, CD sales. Motormouth Mall trying to ease up in your receive right there, right now, Break.
All right, Motormouth Mall, you rose to the top. 270.
Yeah, 10 for there, 270. Well, you're all up in here, too. I guarantee tell you, 270. Well, you're all up in my receiver right here, right now. Check this out real quick. Hey, 270. I think I've got our playback, and I do believe you may be on this playback. Hey, 270, Motormouth Mall, your West Coast beast, playing you back right here.
Hey, Motormouth, you rose to the top. 270.
There you go, 270. There you were, Motormouth Mall, your West Coast beast, waving and stepping. I got down, breaker.
All right, Motormouth Mall.
We're out loud. You got a copy of the I'm trying to get on your...
All right, Motormouth Mall, you're rising to the top. 270, sorry.
Yeah, 10 for the 270. We ain't got a whole lot of fire in the wire, so we can't do a whole heck of a lot out here, but we can put a little bit up in there from time to time and drop this hammer out here in the world of sound. Oh, to you one more time, 270, Motormouth Mall, waving and stepping.
You're waving a fine sound, too, Motormouth Mall.
Motormouth Mall.
Ooh.
Switchblade knows it.
I may have to referee a fight here because I see Superman up in my radio and I see, check this out, watch this last playback here.
You're waving a fine sound, too, Motormouth Mall.
Switchblade knows it.
I may have that's what I heard right there because I see Superman stop up in my... Anyway, I did hear that up in my radio there, breaking. Motormouth Mall stepping.
All right, so he's sitting down and taking out. I was just holding out to you. He's soft on his one when I get a coaching. You all know the real deal, no doubt about it.
Hey, Switchblade. Hey, Switchblade, you say you got no conditions out here, but I guarantee tell you got some kind of conditions. Switchblade, you say you got no conditions, but I guarantee tell you got some kind of conditions out here right about this 1036. Switchblade, Wolf Lake, Motormouth Mall, your West Coast, under modulated beast, right here, right now. Break.
Radio cut off.
Yeah, don't seem like we got no condition. That's what I said. Hey, hold up my hand. 270. Heard me. You play them back on playback. Take care, Motormouth Mall, Switchblade with no condition. Bye-bye.
Yeah, Switchblade. Well, I tell you what, your conditions are your conditions are kind of like.
Play them back on playback. Take care, Motormouth Mall, Switchblade with no condition. Bye-bye.
Your Switchblade there, your conditions are right there. Switchblade, Wolf Lake, Motormouth Mall, Central Coast of Cali, getting on down.
Playback. I was on that playback.
It's all on, baby.
Mother Nature up and down.
Right, no doubt about it.
I heard that playback that time. My name was all over it. Take care, Motormouth Mall, Switchblade, Wolf Lake. Bye-bye.
10-footer, Switchblade, Wolf Lake. Take care, 7-3s. Good to hear you up in there, man. Definitely a pleasure with the double measure. Switchblade, radio station Motormouth Mall, your West Coast. Under modulator beast, right here. Right now. Break.
I hear 63 on the mall. Trying to leave. I hear 63 still on the mall. 63 still on the mall. Trying to say something. Take care, call you later. Appreciate the playback. Motormouth Mall, Switchblade, Wolf Lake.
Yeah, 10-4. I know 63's on the hammer. And I know he's got a great big old hammer out there, too. That's for doggone sure. So I got to watch out every now and again. But once in a while, Mother Nature comes around to my way of thinking. I'm going to drop these positive peaks down here and go down to about 100% modulation for just a little bit. Oh, dear, one more time. Switchblade, Wolf Lake, Motormouth Mall, stepping. I'm back out.
I heard it in your background. You got that goddamn melon down. And take care. Call you later. Motormouth Mall, Switchblade.
10-4. Well, you know, it's good to have a background singer every now and again. You can't expect them to be there all the time, you know, and you certainly can't expect to be there to do the deed for you, you know, when you ain't paying them. You know, some of them don't like to they don't like to hang around when you're not paying them. But it's good to have one around from time to time. Background singers are always good. Sideline cheerleaders are always good. It's always welcome. There's no doubt about that. Switchblade, Wolf Lake, Motormouth Mall, stepping right there right now.
Well, you got it right, though. You got it right, man. You know, everybody wants to get their hands out. Everybody got their hands out. They do something for you, they get their hands out.
Kryptonite, that's what I have to say.
They have their legs open.
First of all, up on the other. 270's out.
They have their legs open. You're supposed to say that. Switchblade, National Radio. Bye-bye.
Yeah, 10-footer Switchblade. While you're out there on National Public Radio, you're right. There are some things you shouldn't say. But some things you can infer. Ain't no doubt about that. Switchblade, Wolf Lake, Motormouth Mall, right here, right now. I got down.
Tell them boys, all good job. You're getting down. Oh, 270 with the kryptonite on my fist is out of here.
Hey, 270, I heard you out there waving that kryptonite around. You better watch out. Superman pretty close to you there. That kryptonite's bad for Superman to break.
Get out there with all that quacking. Get out there with all that quacking. 766-270 is in the clear.
Hey, 270, is 766 quacking? Is he doing the Aflac? Hey, 270, is 766 doing the Aflac there break?
Hey, Motormouth Mall, that can't be the 766 out there months because he's out there quack. He's not like he's talking to some months up there, right?
All right, sure, well. It's a language. It takes some practice, so give him some time. He'll figure it out. Ain't no doubt about that, Brady.
No, right? You say it's a language, and it's going to take him a little bit of time.
Are you local talking?
Yeah, I wasn't local talking there, Switchblade. I was talking to 270. He said 766 is out there doing the Aflac. Hey, 270 said 766 is out there doing the Aflac their break.
All right. 270 got on me. 270 got a jump on me. Switchblade and Wolf Lake. Bye-bye.
Oh, well, if he's got a jump on you, you got to jump a little higher, because here, check this out.
270
Motor Mile 760
jump on me. 270 got a jump on me. Switchblade and wolf flake, bye-bye.
Now, that's what I heard right there. Now, he was keyed up. I believe he was talking to, 766. I'm not sure. Hey, Switchblade Wolf Lake, well, you say he's got a couple mile jump on you, the break.
Yeah, I am sure what I'm talking about. Motor Mile, I'm not sure. It seems like somebody no doubt about it. Motor Mile 270. That's all I know. Now, watch me.
Well, 270, whatever you did. I don't know what you did. You must have opened up another can of kryptonite or something, but I don't know what you did over there, 270. You got that hammered on the break.
All right, you said I got the hammer down. Well, you're doing the same thing right about now. Motor Mile 270's in the clear.
Yeah, 10-4. Well, I'll tell you what, I'll let you hear what you got going on over here. Check it out. Watch this.
All right, you said I got the hammer down. Well, you're doing the same thing right about now. Motor Mile 270's in the clear.
Yeah, 10-4. There you go, 270. That's the way I heard it go down right there. Motormouth Mall stepping.
I appreciate it, Motor Mile. It sounded real good. You got thanks for paying. Look at the move back. You got the hammer down. Motor Mile 270's out of here.
Yeah, 10-4. Well, you're welcome. It's always good to put a grin on your chin out there, man, and give the playbacks out there in the world of sound, because Lord knows everybody wants to hear what their station sounds like and how they're doing out there with a little bit of weight on their back. Ain't no doubt about it. And you got that thing hammering down in fine, fine style. 270, Motormouth Mall, your West Coast. Undermodulated beast right here, right now, I got down.
So now, I don't know, Motormouth Mall. But I heard right some beat in there and tell them I can hold my
Motormouth Mall, a big man in Cali, and 63, Superman is gone.
Hey, Superman, I hear you roll up in there now. You said the Motormouth Mall, the big man in Cali, that must be 766, and 63, Homie the Clown out there in Bakersfield. I tell you what, man, it's good to get my name called with some big stations out there. Lord knows I'm just a little bitty station. I ain't begun to pump up yet, the brink, but I am doing the best I can with what I got at this particular 1036. Hey, Superman, Motormouth Mall, right here, right now, I got down.
Hey, Motormouth Mall, find out what 270.
I take care of Motormouth Mall. You control my ears, man. Them boy bubble down real hard, but shoot, man, you be rising to the occasion, so I got to get my...
Hey, 766, I don't care if you're looking down in Birmingham. All you're going to hear is 270 around the snow cap. 766, 270's out of here.
Hey, 270. Hey, Superman, I know you said something about 766 or 270, but all you're going to hear is a bunch of Motormouth Mall right there right now, I guarantee tell you. Hello, 270 around the snow caps. Hello, Superman, around Georgia, Motormouth Mall, walking the dog, kicking the cat right here, right now. I'm stepping breaker.
All right, Motormouth Mall, you're walking the dog and kicking the cat. All right, Motormouth 270, Roger Buffalo. I'm out of here.
Can't play that 270. 270, man, you got a hammer? Keep on to keep it on. It's good to hear you up there. I don't spend too much time on the radio out here anymore at about 9:30 because I'm usually home doing something with the sweet thing or whatever. But we came out here to the ranch to watch the moon rise. It was a really cool moon, too, man. It was awesome. It was big. It was orange. It was awesome. There weren't any clouds in the sky. So we came out here to do that to break. And I just happened to be out here, and the skip just happened to be rolling to break.
All right, come in. You watch the moon rise in fine style, no doubt about it. Motormouth Mall, which is good sounding station, 270, Colorado's out of here.
10-4 270. And you know what? I wouldn't be surprised. My antenna is pointed at the moon. Not by design. I mean, I didn't expect the moon to come up where it did. But my antenna is pointed at the moon right now, and I wouldn't be surprised if a little bit of my signal's bouncing off the moon right now.
All right, you say you're pointing at the moon, and it's back in the signal pointing at the moon. That's a kind of big mess. Motormouth Mall, I'm out of here.
Yeah, 10-4. We figure a little bit of moon bounce might be a good idea. Hey, we figured just a little bit of moon bounce might be a good idea, the break.
All right, Motormouth, and I can't make it 766. Keep trying to talk to them boys around Alabama and Georgia, but I know we can't hear a tough thing when I got this hammer down. 270's out of here.
Oh, I'll bet you're right. I know you're right. Hey, 270, you got a hammer down over here, and I'll bet you he's hearing the same thing I'm hearing, and I'm hearing a whole lot of 270. Check it out.
All right, Motormouth, and I can't make it 766. Keep trying to talk to them boys around Alabama and Georgia, but I know we can't hear a tough thing when I got this hammer down. 270's out of here.
There you go, 270. That's the way I heard it go down out here on the central coast of California. 270, Motormouth Mall with that instant replay.
Don't play it backwards, play it forward.
And that's right. You said I got the hammer down around Colorado, no doubt about it. 766-270 is in the clear.
Hey, 270, I think you said 766. No, this is Motormouth Mall. And Switchblade, you said don't play it backward, play it forward?
Don't play it backwards, play it forward.
I think that's what you said.
Don't play it backwards, play it forward.
I like it backwards or break. Motormouth Mall step and I got down. Break, break, break.
You're a bad man, Motormouth. Hey, Motormouth, you're a bad man. 270 is in the clear.
Hey, 270, I just misbehave every now and again. Hey, 270, I just misbehave every now and again. Break.
Well, Ryan, we do it in fine style. I gotta let you know, Motormouth. 270 is in the clear.
And that's how you're doing it over here, too. You all up in my radio, 270 with that great big hammer, Motormouth Mall, looking around the snow caps.
Hey, Motormouth Mall.
And I don't know, you're Motormouth Mall, 766-270 is in the clear.
All right there, 270. Well, I'll tell you what, it's my job to try to get up in there. Let me put about 10 grand up in here for you. There's 10 grand right there. It's my job to try to get up over 766. What do you think about that, there, Break?
I think you went all by yourself. Hey, Motormouth, when you do it like that, all I hear is Motormouth Mall, 270's out of here.
10 for there, 270. I ain't got enough positive peaks to make it work up there. My driver craps out. But I can put the carrier there, but I can't get the swing there. So I can't keep it up there all the time. Hello to you one more time, 270, Motormouth Mall. Me and this little bitty thing got down right there, Brady.
And I appreciate you going to the phone one time. You said you kind of lost the driver, but you got all the carrier, no doubt about it. You're in about 25 dB gain. Motormouth Mall, that's I don't know. Now watch me go.
10 for it. It's enough to get the job done every now and again. Sometimes a little bit more is necessary. Sometimes a little bit more is needed. But right now, right there, 25 will do the job. Hello to you one more time. 270 Motormouth Mall, your West Coast under modulated beast. And I got down right there, breaker.
Switchblade, Blake.
Bye. Motormouth Mall, you got the hammer down. 270 in the clear.
Getting down.
10 for. I heard Switchblade up in there underneath you, but man, you got that hammer down in fine style. And, I don't know. It sounds like Mother Nature's going to be doing something. I just don't know exactly what yet, the Brady.
Well, you say you hear Switchblade up underneath the mall. That's where it belongs. It's up underneath the mall. 270's out of here.
Flip, we gonna get it.
It is what it is. Hey, 270. It is what it is from time to time. Radio station Motormouth Mall, your West Coast under modulated beast. Got down. What? No. I'll keep the key for a little bit. All right. You said keep the key down for a little bit. So there it is right there. Let me get my knees up in the breeze. Motormouth Mall stepping.
All right, Motormouth Mall with your DJ show, no doubt about it. You can ring my bell, 270's out of here. You want to know what it's talking about? They're going to get it still around.
Time to hammer down into the world of sound. Take care, 270. I'm back out. I had fun. It was good. It was a good little, what do you call it, a surprise to come out here to watch the moon and get to see the doggone, the skip rolling too at the same time to bring. Take care, 7-3's Motormouth Mall stepping and gotten down.
All right. right, 766, and I'm glad you saved the best for last, Chattanooga. You saved the best for last, 766, 270's out of here.
Hey, 270, how long do we think we can let Mother Nature stick around here? Should I stay and try to be the last man standing there, break? I know 766 is out there right about now, but should I try and stay and be the last man standing the break?
All right, I'm going to have to figure out how to put this on the Chattanooga and JD's Watergate. It's a bad Chattanooga. I hear all you boys doing your thing. I hear 63, I hear Motor Mouth Mall, I hear 766. And I'd like you boys to hear, no doubt about it, 270's in the club.
I'd like to hear it, 270. I'd like to hear it, too. I no doubt about that. I got the gate rolling on this end, so I'll be posting it when I get home. I'll be getting home probably about 45 minutes or so, maybe an hour. And I'll post this gate up there online to break.
I'm with you. You're hearing on the Watergate once I get it posted. 270's out of here.
10-4, 270. Take care. Motormouth Mall, stepping. I'll see you.
All right, yeah. I can't be a Motormouth Mall. Hasn't hammered down the 963, but you definitely, I can hear you saying you're in there by yourself. No doubt about it. 270's out of here.
Is he in there by himself? I'll give him some company. Hey, 270, watch this. I'll give him some company there, break. What do you think about that?
All right, he says 63, he said Motormouth Mall should be gone right about there. But that Chattanooga's still dipping and dropping, no doubt about it. 270's out of here.
We're trying to give him some company, 270. Hey, 270, we're trying to give 63 a little bit of company out there, break.
No, all right. I hear you. 63, I heard you say radio cut off, and he says, I'm trying to give him some company. I can hear both of you boys at the same time. 270's out of here.
Radio cut off. I know how that goes. Hey, radio cut off, radio cut off, radio cut off, radio cut off. I can do that there, break. Hey, look at that. I can do that right there, right now. Hey, 270 Motormouth Mall, right here, right now, I got down. And there he is.
That's my 809 switch.
I can hear him in the back scatter there, break.
I'll tell you what, both you boys are bad men, no doubt about it. You'll hear it on the Watergate. 270's out of here.
All right there, 270. Take care, my friend. 73s. Have a great evening. Tell 63 it's always a whole lot of fun out there. Ain't no doubt about that. 270 Motormouth Mall, stepping. I'll see you.
Get out there for the neighbors. Say 63 at Motormouth Mall. You boys are going back and forth, trading punches, no doubt about it. 270's in the clear.
When you dip, I dip. How's that song go? When you dip, I dip. I don't know how it goes. There's some song like that that breaks.
Hey, homie, you did what you wanted to do. 270's in the clear.
But did he do it all by himself? It's awful lonely that way.
Yeah, you boys still doubling up from time to time. 270's out of here.
I'm going to go ahead and key down. He said, tell him to key down and see what happens. He said, tell him to key down and see what happens there, break.
All right, he started saying key down and see what happens, and then I don't know what you did, Motormouth, but you rolled over the top. 270's out of here.
I just rolled up a few little birds. I just got these birds over here. They're well trained. What do you think?
All right, okay, man. You boys are going to hear it. I'm not going to get in trouble. I'm going to let you boys hear it for yourselves and see what you think. 270's out of here.
All right, I can't wait to hear it there, 270. Tag me in it. Motormouth Mall, stepping. I'll see you. Bye.
270 Motormouth Mall is a bad man. Hey, 270 Motormouth Mall is a bad man. He just bad snow.
Just bad, badder than bad. I got down.
Yeah, you boys are both bad. I got to give it to you. You both got a set of brass knuckles on, and you both look all bloodied up. No doubt about it. 270's out of here.
That's what fun's all about. Ain't no doubt about it, man. It's all about the fun. All right, take care once again. 270 Motormouth Mall, your West Coast undermodulated beast. I got down right there. Breaker.
All right, I think Motormouth Mall can hear you. Hey, 63, he always repeats what you said, so I think he can hear you on that end. 270's out of here.
270, yeah, he knows I can hear him. Hey, 270, he knows I can hear him. We talked the other day, man. He's got a bad station. He was all up in my radio yesterday.
Yeah, well, right. I'm glad you boys can hear and have a good time like that, man. That's what it's all about, man. You both showed off, no doubt about it. 270's in the clear.
10 for the 270. I ain't going to key no more. It's been a whole lot of fun on my own run. Take care, 7-3s. Have a good evening. Motormouth Mall stepping by. Bye.
And that's all right, yeah. And I'll get this thing posted one way or another so you boys can hear it. 270's in the clear.
10 for the 270, and I'll be posting this one too. I'll be home probably in about, less than an hour, and then I'll go ahead and post it up there on YouTube and Facebook to break.
All right, on YouTube and Facebook. I'll have to find you on YouTube, I guess, because I don't know how to get you on Facebook unless you put on JD's Watergate there, right? Yeah?
I'm not sure how to upload JD's Watergate, so I haven't done that yet. I probably should. But on YouTube, it's MMM Video Gates, all one word. MMM Video Gates, all one word, Debris.
I'll find it. I appreciate it. When I get that out there, I'll let you know where it's at. Motormouth Mall. I'm out of here.
410, and the name on Facebook is John Bartel, JOHNBARTAL. And you find me there. Just do a search for West Coast Beast. It probably comes up that way, too.
All right, I'll find it. I appreciate it, Motormouth. And I can hardly wait to get this on there because it was a bad one. This one's a classic, no doubt about it. I'm out of here.
10-4. Very cool. All right, take care, my friends. 7-3s. Have a great evening. Motormouth Mall working this beast. God down.
And that's a beast, no doubt about it, Motormouth. I'm in the clear.
563, have a good evening out there. It's been a lot of fun. A 63 out there in the killing fields. If you got any kind of a sloppy copy, Motormouth Mall waving your way there, Bray.
I think he went 10-7. He said he had to go 10-7 for the neighbor's sake. 270's out of here.
God, 10-4. Okay, well, that's a bummer. Okay, well, I'll go ahead and call it quits then, too, for the evening. Have a great evening, and I appreciate it. 270, Motormouth Mall stepping.
And your Motormouth Mall. I'm going 10-7 too. I got to get up early. 270's in the clear.
10-4. Bye.
He's not going to wave both hands up.
He said to tell you it was fun. I thought he went 10-7, Motormouth, but he keyed up and said to tell you it was fun. 270's on the run.
Oh, well, he didn't go 10-7 yet? That's great. Awesome. Tell him to turn his antenna around. See if I can't hear him from the killing fields and break.
Hey, 62, if you still got it right here, Motormouth Mall wants you to turn his antenna and talk to him a little bit. 270's out of that. He's swinging around now, Motormouth. I'm out of here.
All right, sounds good. Appreciate you rolling that 5 and keeping it all the way alive. 270 with your 10-8 self, Motormouth Mall stepping.
Oh, yeah, I'm out of here. Good night, Rice and Beans. Good night. 270's in the clear.
Come on, Motormouth Mall.
Hello, what's going on there, Breaking? Hello, Rice and Beans. If you got me in backscatter, I'll say hello to you too, the Break.
Oh, yeah, man, I'm trying to ease in on you, man. I forgot you were I was talking to you, man. I'm trying to explain these things to you.
Yeah, I'll give you a signal to lock on to. Hey, 63, I'll give you a signal to lock on to right here, right now, the break. Motormouth Mall, you West Coast beast. Got down.
Yeah, I got you now. Tell me, good, man. That's fun, too, man. Hey, good, boy, you got me whooping.
Well, we try, we got to keep on our toes over here. You keeping me on my toes, what do you think, the break? It's really cool that we can talk to each other. We're 125, 130 miles apart, something like that. And that's pretty doggone cool, the break. That's not even that tropospheric ducting. This is point-to-point, the break. $10-4, ain't no doubt about that. All right, well, I know you had to get out of there. You got to go to work tomorrow and all that good stuff. But, man, I had so much fun out there tonight. I just wanted to say thank you, and it's been a whole lot of fun. I can't wait to hear the gate to bring. FedEx, I'll give you a 20. 10-4, sounds good. That'd be awesome. Yeah, absolutely. Win, lose, or draw. This is actually one of the most fun things I could think of doing out here, and it's a blast and a half. All right, sounds good. Look forward to put on you real soon there, 63. Have a good day. We will catch you a little bit later on. Me and this little mud duck station right here, right now. I got down.
Right, your Motormouth Mall, always a pleasure, no diggity, no doubt. Motormouth Mall, your home with the crown and the killer field. Swing it back east and up 10-7.
410. And before you go too far away, let me just do one more thing, because that your signal, whatever you did right there, I don't know, other things do whatever they do, but check this out.
No doubt, Motormouth Mall, your home with the crown and the killer field. Swing it back east and up 10-7.
And there you go, right there. Homie the Clown, Motormouth Mall, your West Coast beast, got down. And this is all on the video, Gatorberg.
That sounds like a mud duck on there. Hey, that's the way you should be running. Hey, Motormouth Mall, that sounds like a mud duck. This the way you should be running, Motormouth Mall. Your homie the Clown is playing dog.
Oh, I see what you did there. Hey, Homie the Clown, I see what you did there. Now, wait a second here. Watch this.
That sounds like a mud duck on there. Hey, that's the way you should be running. Hey, Motormouth Mall, that sounds like a mud duck. This the way you should be running, Motormouth Mall. Your homie the Clown is playing dog.
Now you got it going on. Holy smokes. What a difference.
Motormouth Mall, I appreciate it. No 10-7.
All right, my friend, take care. 7-3s. Have a great day. Homie the Clown, Motormouth Mall, got down right there. Breaker.
Oh, see you, Motormouth Mall. Rabbit. Roger, Rabbit, and Big Star. You know what up.
Hey, Roger Rabbit. Good to hear you up in there, too. Hey, Roger Rabbit, Motormouth Mall waving.
And there's my Roger. Motormouth Mall. I just want to see if I can't say hey. And put my hand in your hand. That's for dog real. Motormouth Mall. They call me Roger Rabbit. No time to say Big Star. Just got down.
Yeah, that's a great big Roger Rabbit, Roger. Ain't no doubt about that. Take care, Roger Rabbit, and have a good day. We will put on you again another time, another way. Motormouth Mall, looking around your neck of the woods. Right there, right now, I got down.
All right, Motormouth Mall. I'm going to get out of the road, man. Like I said, there's a whole lot of people might want to say, hey, see you on that end. Motormouth Mall, your Rabbit. Roger Rabbit, say have yourself a blessed day.
And you wrapped it up. Take care. You do the same. Enjoy your tomorrow to its absolute fullest and the rest of the week, and we will put it on you again another time, another way on down the hilly axe of Mother Nature permits. Roger Rabbit, Motormouth Mall, your West Coast under modulator beast. I'm going 10-7. I'll see you. Bye. Bye.
Click.